Technological innovation leads to future development. ZONCN is committed to pioneering in China's frequency converter industry with industrial automation driven by advanced technology. With 18 years of development, ZONCN has made remarkable achievements. It's now leading the frequency converter industry in China. Going forward, we will remain true to our aspiration, stay united, enterprising and perseverant, and keep in mind our mission of using advanced technology for energy conservation, emission reduction, and coordinated development between human and nature to continuously improve our core competitiveness. Take technology as a whole to stimulate innovation and strengthen the industry. As a high-tech company, ZONCN is customer-oriented and focused on R&D, production, as well as the sales and service of low-voltage frequency converters, servo systems, and other products. These products are widely used in various industries, such as air compressors, plastic machinery, construction machinery, water supply equipment, metallurgical equipment, textile machinery, machine tools, chemical machinery, mining machinery, printing and packaging. Over these years, ZONCN has been rated as a high-tech enterprise, software enterprise in Shanghai, enterprise technology center in Shanghai, state-level SDR, specialized, refinement, differential and innovation, little giant enterprise, SDRI enterprise in Shanghai, and technology little giant enterprise in Shanghai. ZONCN is now forging ahead undauntedly to become the mainstay in the field of industrial automation. ZONCN always keeps its mission in mind. Innovation is the first driving force of our developments. We have held the view since day one that innovation is the only answer to steady progress in the midst of changes, and only a market-oriented approach can adapt to economic developments. In the past 2 decades, ZONCN has focused on innovation, ongoing investment in R&D and cost control. Thanks to its established core competitiveness in software algorithms and structural design of frequency converters and servo system, ZONCN has grown into one of China's leading enterprises in the field of low-voltage frequency converters. We will continue to move forward with passion, perseverance, courage, and wisdom, and make contributions to the development of industrial automation in China and throughout the world. Write a new chapter with passion and dreams. Looking ahead, ZONCN will continue to improve its business in the industry and explore markets through new technologies and customized solutions to build up the core competitiveness in the market and become the first-rate industrial automation equipment supplier with strong reputation in the world. While China is implementing the strategic plans for upgrading industrial automation equipment and promoting localization, intelligence, and digitalization of key equipment, ZONCN will make its own voice heard and contribute its due share